am I gonna do?
Barbie! Barbie! We're so excited for your party!
Oh no! My party! I forgot!
Ruff, 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 ruff!
Dog!
Oh, dog! Cute!
No, Phoebe! I meant mind your head! Ah! Oh, phew! That was close.
So, where's the dog hiding? Oh, Barbie, your poor home!
I know. Oh, what are we gonna do? It's a mess. We need magic to fix this.
Magic? That's it! I know how we can rebuild this! Time for some Fizzy magic! Fizzy! Fizzy! The Fizzy box!
Wait, is this my new home?
Nope! Even better! We can use the items inside here to redo your home!
Cool.
Miss Hands, we need a hand!
Hey everyone, it's me, Miss Hands.
Ruff, ruff!
Yes, Daffy, I can see you. Oh, can we start with the orange door? Of course we can, Barbie. All right, time to find out what's inside the orange door. Here we go. Whoa, look at this. We've got, a super cute blue dog bone. Wait, that's Taffy's favorite dog bone.
Ruff, 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 ruff. And look, there's a pretty pink rug. Awesome sauce.
Yay, it's working. All right, which door next?
Oh, the green one,
All right, Phoebe, let's find out what's inside the green door. Uh-oh, it's a centipede. Whoa, look how many legs he's got. Whoa, wait, where is he going? Whoa, bye, Mr. Centipede. Whoa, a centipede? Ugh, gross. Wait, there was something else inside the green door. It's a super cute, colorful pink hairbrush. Yay! That means it's time for my favorite time of the day.
Oh, food time!
No, Phoebe, it's makeover time.
Awesome sauce!
Hello, Barbie. Welcome to my salon. What would you like to do today? Oh, well, I was thinking I could have my hair brushed. Oh, this is so much fun. Thank you, Miss Hands. That's all right, Barbie. There you go. Perfect. Looking beautiful, Barbie. Oh, thanks, Miss Hands. Oops, I almost forgot. We've got some more doors to open. We sure do. I know. Why don't we go ahead and open up the blue door? I wonder what's inside. Uh-oh. Whoa. Look at all of this pink, wobbly, stretchy slime. Ugh.
Whoa! I don't remember slime being part of the furniture.
Nor do I, Phoebe, but at least it's pink.
Awesome sauce! We love pink!
We sure do, Phoebe. Wait, there was something else inside. Whoa! A super cute, beautiful blue flower with a purple top. Aw, that's gonna look so cute in my new garden. Come on, let's keep going. Good idea, Barbie. I wonder what's inside the purple door. Here we go. Whoa! What's all this? Oh my goodness, Barbie, look! We've got so many super cute clothes. Yay! I love clothes.
Awesome sauce! Hey Barbie, we can play dress up now.
We sure can, Phoebe, but can we check what's behind the yellow door first?
Oh yeah! Silly me. Miss Hands?
On it, Phoebe. All right, what's behind the yellow door? Whoa, look at this. We've got some super cool, stylish sunglasses. Oh, that's where they went. Oh, yay. Taffy can be super stylish and protected from the sun now. Can't you, Taffy? Ruff, ruff. Ruff, ruff.
Ah, spider! Barbie, watch out! Ah!
What? Ah! Oh no, quick! Run! Ah! Hey, don't worry, Barbie and Phoebe. Look, it's a super cute, super friendly spider. See?
Yeah, I'm super friendly. I only wanted to come and say hello, but I better go now. Bye-bye.
Oh, bye, spider.
Oh, bye, Mr. Friendly Spider.
Quick, come on. We've only got one more door to open. The red door. Here we go. Oh no, did you guys hear that?
Ah, it's a dinosaur! Everybody, run!
Wait, everyone, it's all right. Look, it's just a friendly dinosaur. And, it's super duper squishy. Squish, squish, squish. That's so silly. There's something else in here. Whoa, look! It's a beautiful horse. That's my pony. Aw, hey there, girl.
Yay! We did it! We got everything out of the magical house!
Whoa! We sure did.
But wait, Barbie! We still need to rebuild your home! Don't worry, Phoebe. I can use my magic and the items we found to rebuild Barbie's beautiful home! Awesome sauce! Time for some Fizzy magic! Fizzy, Wizzy, Bobbity Bop!
Oh, wow! Oh, this really is a dream. Thank you so much, Fizzy and Phoebe, for all your help. You're the best.
That's all right, Barbie. We're always happy to help. Wow, Barbie, your home is beautiful.
Thanks, Phoebe. Oh, I'm so lucky to have you both as friends. All right, well, me and Taffy better get settled back in, so we'll see you guys later. Come on, Taffy. That's it. Good girl. Ruff, 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 ruff.
See you later, Barbie. Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time. Come on, Fizzy. We could go build our own house.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bo.